Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shreyoshi and I create beauty related content. In today's video, I have created this easy glam makeup look. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. And now, let's get started with the tutorial. I'm starting off with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer and nicely massaging it all over my face. Then I'm using the NYX Angel Wheel Primer today. I've taken a small amount of the product and I'm applying it only on my T-zone area to control the oil formation. Now I'm using the MAC Studio Fix foundation with SPF 15 in the shade NC30 all over my face and neck. Then I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium 25 under my eyes and on my T-zone to highlight and bring forward the areas. Here I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and Johnson's Baby Powder, mixing them together to get a perfect shade for my skin tone and applying it under my eyes with a powder brush. Then I'm using the Nashio Contour Kit and picking up the first cool tone shade for contouring my face. And then picking up the warm tone bronzer shade and applying it over the contour. Now using the foundation brush, I'm blending the contour and bronzer to get rid of the harsh lines. I'm using the Savannah Nudes Eyebrow Kit for filling in my brows today. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Palette and picking up the shade Sandalwood for my transition color and applying it all over my crease, and then using the shade Henna to add a bit more definition. Now applying the same colors on my lower eyelid as well. Then using the Nicka K Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Polaris Peach only in the inner third of the eyes. This is a soft cut crease look where you don't need to cut your crease using a concealer. And then I'm also adding it on the center of my lower lid. I have added all the product links that I'm using in the description box below. If you want to buy any of the products, you can directly click on the link and purchase it. Then I'm taking the shade Bubbly from the Huda Beauty palette and highlighting the inner corner of my eyes and under my brows. Now I'm using my Maybelline Colossal Kajal to tightline my upper eyelid. Here I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara and generously coating my eyelashes with it. Then I'm using the shade Moon Dust from the same Huda Beauty palette and using it as my highlighter today. For my lipstick today, I'm using MAC Ruby Woo and topping it off with MAC Lady Danger to get the custom red shade. I love using two lipsticks to create my own custom shades. Then I'm using the same lip color as my blush today. I'm dabbing my fingertips on my lips and dabbing it on my cheeks and then blending it off with the foundation brush. Then I'm finishing off the look with my trusty Swiss Beauty makeup fixer today. So this is the finished look. Hope you guys found it helpful. Also, I'm meaning to get 200 subscribers this month, so please show your love and support guys by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.